Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the battery in this 2006 Honda Accord LX. Procedures will be similar for most Accord models from 2003 to 2007, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Use your 10mm deep socket or wrench to loosen the negative battery cable, which is attached to the terminal toward the outside of the vehicle. Once it's loose enough, lift it off and move it aside. Repeat this step for the positive battery terminal. Use the same socket or wrench to loosen the nuts on the battery hold down. Remove the hold down by slipping the hooks out of their holes on both sides of the battery tray. Now you should be able to lift that battery out. Set your new battery in the battery tray in the same orientation as the old one. To reinstall the hold down, set it in place on the battery. Make sure the hooks at the bottom of the J-shaped rods slip into the holes on the battery tray and tighten the nuts. Now use your socket or wrench to reattach the positive battery cable first. Then reattach your negative battery cable. Close the hood. Since your battery cables were detached, your factory stereo settings and clock will likely need to be reset. Follow the link on the screen if you need details on that procedure. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you are not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.